Our next artist! Sino nga ba ating tutukoy? Isang iyak muna natin, no? Eto na, panigan ko ng palakpakan ninyo lahat para sa PBB Gen 11 from Star Magic si Rainah Celmar!
Broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassign me. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never forget. If it does not exist, darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone and keep a straight face. Like this, keeping us comfortable in distance. And up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. But you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
Hi guys! Hello! Oh God! Hello guys! Cavite! Hello! Hello!
I've got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me. I know you leave one in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of moments, not a dream. Exception, you are the only exception. 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 And I'm on my way to believe it. And I'm on my way to believe it.
Oh yeah!
Rainah Celmar! Hi! Rito. Hi, Rainah! Hi, please bumati ko ulit sa ating mga kapamilya natin na nandito kayo sa Dasma. And sorry if you have something to promote your social media accounts. Saka naman mapapanood. Go ahead. Oh yeah, go.
Oh, hi kapamilya! Hello! Hi reindeers and everyone in the world. So, let's watch and the breadwinner
Kaya naman, Rain, your social media account. Go
On
ahead.
my social media account, Instagram, Rainah Celmar, TikTok, rain.dear. Let's go!
Yes, let's go. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Rain, and we'll see you later. Thank you, Rain. Ayan.
Oh my gosh, Bini Maloy!
Salamin sa takdang panahon.
Oh my gosh! I love you, Mommy!